Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. Let's do a different vegetable. I don't know how popular it is, but it's called as a jackfruit. It's normally eaten as a fruit, but this is a raw jackfruit which I'm using. In the north, it is called as kathal. And let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. Jackfruit, which is raw and it is cut into cubes and it's boiled. Scraped fresh coconut, minced garlic, jaggery, turmeric powder, sambar powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste and oil for cooking. The cubes that were boiled, they're just separated out with the hand into just flake them out. After they have been flaked out, season them. So add the chili powder, salt, the sambar powder and the turmeric. Just mix all the powdered masala into it and keep it aside. Yeah, now take a shallow pan because it's just like a stir fry. The jackfruit is already cooked, so it's not going to take a lot of time. We have to just temper it and just stir fry it for some time. So take oil, let the oil go nice and hot. Once the oil is gone hot, add the garlic to it and saute till the garlic goes pink in color. The only flavor is of garlic, so use a good amount of garlic, as I said, about a tablespoon of it, or you can use more if you like the flavor, and let it just go nice and pink in color. So let the flavor get diffused into the oil. Yeah, the garlic has gone pink. To this, add the jackfruit, which we have flaked out along with the dry powdered masala. Very delicately mix it with the tempering. Just sprinkle little water. Cover and simmer for about say 5 to 6 minutes till all the flavors get incorporated. The jackfruit is cooking. As I said, it's already cooked and boiled, so we have to just get the flavors together. So at this stage, add the jaggery and the coconut, leave some for garnishing. Again, give it a mix. See that the jaggery gets mixed well because it's a dry preparation. Sometimes the jaggery just tends to stay on one side, so don't do that. Very delicately stir fry all the ingredients together. Just to melt away the jaggery, maybe you can again sprinkle some water. I'm not pouring water, I'm just sprinkling it to for the mixing of the ingredients together. Let it be on low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetable is cooking after the jaggery and the coconut. So let's take it out. Yeah, it's done. Let's take it out for serving. Shut the gas. Let's garnish it with some fresh coconut. The raw jackfruit bhaji, or it's called traditionally in the Konkan region as susal. It's ready, a very amazing preparation. If you like jackfruit, I think you should make it for your family. And again, it's like a compliment. You can either eat it with just dal and rice or some fish curry rice with this at the side, or even with chapatis.